Stop letting your long-form videos sit on your hard drive collecting digital dust while you struggle to find time for social media. If you are ready to turn those hours of raw footage into viral short clips without losing your mind, you are in exactly the right place. In this deep dive, I'm going to walk you through the exact process for getting consistent, high-performing short-form content out of your library using Vizard. We are going to cover everything from the initial setup and platform tiers to how the AI actually selects the best moments from your videos. I will share the specific little tricks that make your clips pop and show you real-world workflows that work for ads, social media channels, and creator funnels. This isn't some fluffy hype piece, but rather a hands-on breakdown so you can stop overthinking your strategy and start actually posting content. Let us start with the basics of getting your account up and running on the Vizard platform. You simply need to open your browser, head over to vizard.ai, and sign up using your email or a quick OAuth login. The beauty is that there is a generous free tier available, which allows you to test out the auto-editing magic without needing a credit card. From there, you can easily explore paid plans if you decide you need higher resolution exports, increased export limits, or team collaboration features. Let us be real for a second. Many AI video tools today charge exorbitant fees just to let you remove a simple watermark from your exports. Vizard's model is refreshingly different because it focuses entirely on repurposing your existing long-form assets, like podcasts or interviews, into dozens of ready-to-post clips. This is where the real value lies, especially if you are a creator trying to stay on a budget while maintaining high output. So, what does Vizard actually do under the hood that makes it so effective for your workflow? The three pillars you will care about most are auto-editing viral clips, auto-scheduling your posts, and managing your content calendar. The auto-editing feature is genuinely smart. It analyzes your audio, visual cues, speaker energy, and even engagement spikes to find the best moments. It slices out the parts that are statistically most likely to perform well as short clips, such as the hooks, punchlines, and climactic moments. It also takes care of the tedious stuff like adding captions and cropping your video into the preferred aspect ratios for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. But remember, features alone don't make content viral. It is how you guide the tool that makes the difference. You should treat Vizard like a smart assistant. Give it clear direction, but avoid the urge to micromanage every single frame. The first step in my workflow is always to tell Vizard the intent before I hit that auto-edit button. Are you going for a punchy highlight reel, an educational bite, a product teaser, or perhaps a high-energy reaction clip? If you tell the tool you want funny clips, it will surface the laughs, but if you ask for product demos, it will prioritize close-ups and hands-on moments. Next, make sure you use chapters, timestamps, and keywords effectively within your source material. If your video already has chapters or a transcript, Vizard will use that data to much better isolate the important moments. Even a simple keyword tag like big reveal or how-to step does wonders for the algorithm's understanding of your content. You also need to pick your platform and aspect ratio as early as possible in the editing process. Hooks that work on TikTok usually need a clear face, big captions, and an immediate payoff in those first 2 or 3 seconds. Landscape clips for YouTube Shorts require a slightly different edit, and Vizard will automatically provide previews for you to check. Nailing that hook is the most crucial part of your strategy, because if the source video is slow, you need to fix it. If your video does not open with an attention grabber, use the edit tools to add a bold text overlay or a fast zoom into a reaction. You want to keep your branding consistent without being overly heavy-handed with your design elements. Upload your logo and brand colors to the asset library, then apply a template to your clips so every video feels like part of a cohesive family. But keep it subtle, because people scroll fast and they really do not want to watch 10 seconds of a static logo intro. Let us talk about the advanced features that almost feel like cheating in the best possible way. You can batch process an entire hour-long interview and get 20 or 30 ready-to-post shorts in one single session. The AI generates multiple variations, which is absolutely key for A/B testing different headlines or clip lengths. You can also tweak the caption style, the font, and the background blocks, and the AI will re-render everything for you. There are also editing primitives that mirror manual workflows, such as combining clips or creating recurring background loops. If you want a smooth recurring animation behind your text, you can just upload a short loop and set it as your template. Need a clean montage transition between 2 clips? Vizard can handle that blend for you automatically or let you fine-tune the timing. Now, I want to be honest about the trade-offs, because that is what helps you set the right expectations for your work. Vizard's greatest strength is its reliability compared to those experimental video generators that try to synthesize brand new frames from scratch. It won't invent new scenes or change the physics of motion, but it is an incredibly robust tool for repurposing what you already have. If your original recording has shaky camera work, the AI can perform basic stabilization, but it cannot fix really poor quality raw footage. Remember that free tiers usually include watermarks, so if you are serious about professional results, look into the paid plans. It is still almost always more affordable than hiring a dedicated human editor to do this work for you month after month. So, how does this fit into your actual daily workflow as a busy creator or a business owner? For ads, you can take a long product demo and pull out 3 or 4 strong, high-converting product clips. Because Vizard keeps your visual style consistent across these clips, you can test different ad sets without re-editing every asset from scratch. For social growth, the combination of auto-schedule and the content calendar means you set the cadence once, and the AI does the heavy lifting. You can build consistent momentum with 5 clips a week without spending your entire weekend stuck in an editing suite. Finally, you can use Vizard to create highlight reels for your landing pages to drive more signups or tease your longer content. Here are a few tactical tips that you probably won't hear in every standard walkthrough of the tool. Always lightly edit your transcript before you start auto-editing so you can fix any unclear lines for the AI. Use the speaker detection feature if you are working with multiple guests so you can easily highlight specific people. Test different caption styles because some audiences really respond to bold blocks of color, while others prefer clean, minimal outlines. Keep your requests simple, as the clips that perform best are usually focused on just one single idea or emotion. Ultimately, Vizard is not a replacement for your creativity, but it is a massive force multiplier for your output. It takes your raw, long-form material and turns it into a consistent, platform-ready engine without you needing to do hours of manual work. If you are ready to start treating Vizard like your editing co-pilot, let us walk through a sample workflow together. Upload one of your videos, tag the transcript, pick 10 moments, and schedule them out for the next 2 weeks. You will be surprised at how quickly this process turns those old files into a content engine for your brand. Sound good? Let's jump in and get started with your first project right now.